Step-by-step assembly instructions for FLEXISPOT Standing Desk. This is one of the best-rated standing desks under $350. It is quiet, durable, and fully electric, but only if you put it together correctly. I am going to walk you through exactly how I assembled the FLEXISPOT EN2B, what worked, and what to watch out for. Welcome to DadLab 360, where regular people like me figure things out using tools like ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, and a little trial and error, so you can skip the struggle. First, lay out all parts and confirm they match the parts list. Do not throw away any packaging until assembly is complete in case parts are missing. Adjust the crossbeam to match your desktop length. Insert both side legs into the crossbeam ends and tighten with included bolts. Use the Allen wrench provided in the package. Caution: over-tightening at this stage can strip the soft metal threads. Attach motors to legs by sliding the motorized column into each leg channel. Secure the crossbeam with bolts. Do not force it if the fit feels tight. Wiggle gently into alignment. Now, place the desktop upside down on a protected surface. Center the assembled frame on the desktop using a measuring tape if needed. Note: ensure that your motor's control keypad is across from the motor. Secure frame to desktop. Align the metal frame holes with pre-drilled holes in the wood top. Use the screws provided. Hand tighten first, then snug later, either using the Allen wrench or a drill. Refer to the installation manual for the appropriately labeled screws to be used at each step. Bolt the 2 flat feet to the bottom of the legs. Attach feet. Make sure they are flush and centered, then tighten bolts. I did not install the cable management tray because FLEXISPOT does not provide pre-drilled holes for this part. Plug the motor cables into the control box. Note: ensure that your motor's control keypad is across from the motor. Make sure to check this when you place the frame on the desktop, as it comes with pre-drilled holes for installing these parts. Tip root cables through the metal cable tray under the crossbar for clean wire management. If you decide to drill to install this tip, unplug the desk from the wall when not in use. It helps protect the motor from power surges and may extend its lifespan. Plug into a wall outlet. Tip: always use a surge protector with your standing desk to protect the motor. The FLEXISPOT model I chose came with one. Check the description for the link. Use the up-down controls to verify the motor operates smoothly. After researching dozens of electric standing desks, FLEXISPOT EN2B model is the one I chose. And honestly, I think it is the best desk you can get under $350. It's sleek, quiet, and more importantly, it's durable. There is no wobble, even at standing height, and the finish on the desktop looks really clean and professional. It checks every box I had: pretty quiet motors, stable build, thoughtful design, and at a price point that does not require compromising on quality. What really stood out to me, though, besides the quality, is the customer service. I had a shipping delay with an accessory, and FLEXISPOT's support team was incredibly responsive, helpful, and just easy to work with. That makes a big difference, especially when you are investing in home office gear. Now, just to be transparent, there are a couple of things worth noting. First, I noticed a minor cosmetic blemish near the front edge of the desktop. It looks like two sections of wood were joined there. Not a deal breaker, but just something I noticed. Second, if you plan to mount accessories underneath, like cable organizers, you will want to have a drill handy. Since there are no pre-drilled holes, it is a simple step, but worth being aware of ahead of time. And if you are on the taller side, say over 6'2", it might be worth double-checking the height range to make sure it matches your ergonomic setup. Overall, this desk is a fantastic value. If you are thinking about getting one for your home office, you can find the exact FLEXISPOT EN2B desk I used linked in the description below. I hope this walkthrough helped you set up your own desk. Since this was my first DIY video, I worked mostly with photos and short clips, but going forward, I will be filming the entire build from start to finish, so it is way easier for you to follow along. Plus, improved filming techniques, more professional visuals, and immersive original content. I am always open to suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment with feedback or let me know what you would like to see in upcoming videos. You do not need to be an expert to build something that works like one. Anyone can figure out, with the right tools and mindset, that is what this channel is all about. If this video helped you even a little, consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode, be well.